Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine out of Burnsville, Minnesota. Today we have for sale a 1999 115 Johnson freshwater motor, Minnesota motor, 20-inch motor. It is a 2-stroke, not a 4-stroke. It has a fresh tune-up, water pump's been gone through, our new water pump, spark plugs, gear case lube changed, filters have been changed on the fuel side. Comes with the control box and a standard prop. Aluminum prop and a side mount control box. We can get you different things if you want it, but it'd be additional cost to that. We'll fire it up here for you, get it running. I believe this motor has had the VRO disconnected on it, so you have to mix your oil and gas on this one. I'm not a fan of VROs, so we just disconnect them. Pumping good water back here. It is going to kind of load up in here because it's in a tank. A little smoky 2-strokers. We'll put it forward here. Wash the garage door a little bit. Neutral. Reverse. Neutral again. Tilt and trim ain't hooked up on there. There it is. And I believe there's one on the side of the pan here too. Yep, right here. Shut it off. Fire it back up. If you're interested in it, give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thanks a lot again for watching another BMR video.